Hello loves! Today I invite you to clean your refrigerator with me. And if you also struggle and don't know how to keep a fridge clean and fresh, then this video will be the one you don't want to miss. We are a family of 4 who enjoy cooking, who are eating mainly at home, and our kids are 2 and 4 years old, who are sometimes very picky with food, so I have to be inventive to give them exactly what they would eat. And if you feel that you need to organize your fridge or you don't remember when was the last time you cleaned it, then clean your refrigerator with me today. I'm sharing this fridge speed cleaning motivation and tips with you right now. First of all, I should say that we do meal plan. This is very important because this means that we also plan our grocery shopping, which will be tomorrow, and that is why our fridge is so empty today. And also, this is exactly why I'm cleaning it right now. I take everything away and check the expiration date and see if there is something what is very old to get rid of bad stuff, and if needed, I add those to our shopping list. We use Listonic app for Android, but it is also available in App Store. I will link you the name in the description bar if you would like to check it later. As you can see, it was not very dirty and I was deep cleaning it not long time ago. So I just do my maintenance cleaning. I do spray my homemade cleanser, which consists of water, white vinegar, alcohol and some drops of orange essential oil. This helps me to sanitize and deodorize it, but sure, if it gets dirty, I clean it immediately, not waiting for the shopping day. Also, I have to mention that I work by zones because the fridge starts to beep after 2 minutes and I have to close the door and open again to continue. To have it more or less organized, on the first shelf we usually keep milk products, many yogurts and cottage cheese. On the second shelf I like to keep all the food which we eat kind of for breakfast and snacks, and this includes butter, meats, cheese, sausages, whatever. Here I also put our leftovers from dinner before if we plan to eat those the next day for lunch. Though usually we cook in such way that we have just enough for 2 dinners, unless we make a lot intending for freezing. On the third shelf we have our ready food. Here are mostly plastic boxes, but sometimes can also be a pot like now. On the fourth shelf we have this big basket with eggs and some miscellaneous stuff which sometimes does not fit the previous shelves, I would say. Next we have 3 drawers. The top one is for fruits, the middle one is for veggies and salads, and the bottom one is for all other stuff which is in glass packages, condiment and sweet and toppings, so something like this. Personally, I think this fridge is a little bit small for our family, but we are in this house, so we have what we have. And here you can see all the stuff I have to purge today. It is not really much, I would say, mostly expired food. On the door we have many small size miscellaneous stuff which I could not really categorize. In the bigger fresh zone department I like to keep some food which we will need the nearest time for cooking, and have not unpacked yet. This is very important, and here everything is always fresh and very often replaced. And also on the door we keep our milks and drinks, on the 2-liter balcony, and also some medicines which have to be in the fridge. After everything is placed back and clean inside, I go on and wipe the glass doors of our refrigerator, and for this I use the same multi-purpose self-mixed solution using a microfiber roll. It works good for this purpose, and actually my glass cleanser will do the same. I love sieve power. By the way, the same glass cleanser I was using in our previous house, where we had a fridge with the stainless steel doors. It was working the same good, so if you have one, this is a good hint for you. And now let us talk about keeping the fridge smelling fresh. I have mentioned already that my cleansing mix includes orange essential oil, but it can really be replaced by lemon or grapefruit or tea tree, I think, if you like those. Another good tip is to have an open box with a baking soda inside of your fridge. This helps to absorb odors if they happen. But personally, I use this method as emergency if sometimes something was spilled and I had time just to wipe it out, but still it smells a little bit, and then I use the nearest chance to deep clean the fridge to make it clean and smelling good again. And what about the salads and fruits? Now I should say, yes, I have mentioned already that they sit in the drawers, and I like to prep them for direct eating, as I noticed that in our family they are more likely to be eaten if they are clean and ready. So I do wash in advance those salads, and I keep them in a plastic box with a piece of kitchen paper because this helps to absorb additional moisture and to prevent creation of mold. And also I like to prep the fruits and berries because my toddler is very impatient and hungry, so her snacks should better be ready all the time. And this is how our fridge looks after the grocery shopping. I mean, it is again fully stuffed, but it is still organized in a very convenient way for me. And I need to remind myself that the fridge can actually be perfectly clean only then empty. But who needs an empty fridge? And what do you guys think? Do you manage to keep your fridge looking like an Instagram picture? Let me know if this video was helpful for you and if you want to go and make some fridge cleanup as well. Be sure to check my quick cleanup video if you need some more motivation. I hope you have a successful homemaking day, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye bye.